Alright, so what we have here is my 89 Volkswagen Jetta, originally a 1.8 liter PF 8 valve motor. We now got an ABA swap out of a 98 Golf, Mark IV scientific Rabbit intake manifold, direct port nitrous. We have a performance Dubs Nitrous plate there. Currently it's going to be running 100 shot. We got an adapter plate here for the throttle body spacer, just in case we want to add a bigger shot later. Not a bigger shot, but a little bit more. It's got a 298 race cam from Tectonics. Obviously you see here we got the Tectonics, the old school adjustable cam gear. It's got the long tube Tectonics headers. We got Gruven pulleys here, Autobahnautoworx pulley, SPAturbo pulley, and then a Cosmo Racing pulley on it. New German performance spark plugs here. They're a little bit bigger than stock. We got an O2J swap out of the newer Mark IVs. It's got the diesel geek short shifter in it, along with the S&P clutch cable actuator, so we don't have to run the hydraulic stuff. And then here we got some eBay tack, eBay steering wheel. We're probably going to be getting rid of this stuff. OBX weighted shift knob. We got, obviously our gauges here. We got a few Bosches, glow shifts, AEM air fuel. But here recently we started taking the interior out of it. The only thing left is carpet, door cards, and driver seat. We do have all the side moldings. We just haven't put them on, along with all the arches we also haven't put on. This is the trunk setup now. I believe that's a 10-gallon tank. We're going to end up relocating the nitrous bottle to the cabin to get it out of the trunk, just for just to make things a little easier. It's got a Holley lift pump, SBA 14 bar inline high flow fuel pump as well, along with the in filter, a high flow inline filter as well. It does also have an aeromotive fuel pressure regulator. Walk back up here so y'all can see it. Aeromotive right there. And the nitrous kit is a cold fusion nitrous kit. There we are.